should be live now. Let's see here. Yep. That is live. Cool. This is new. Hello, Carlos. Welcome. Yeah, the music's playing. Awesome. I see the chat. We're live. Double checking. Using Framer for the first time. That is the wrong title. I set the right title. Now I'm... Ugh. Oh well. You stream and you stream. You try to get everything ready, but nothing works, right? That's streaming for you. All right. Hey, everyone. This is my day 2 of learning Framer. And Framer just did their fall event. An event meaning that they published a video, kind of like Apple style, where you have a keynote full of features and announcements. So one of the things that caught my eye and a lot of the Webflow community's eyes is, whoa, shots fired on the CMS references. So I didn't know that CMS references and multi-references was not a thing in Framer. I told myself that my next stream is going to be all about Framer CMS. And I guess this is a good time to do it because I'm jumping in here for the first time for Framer CMS, and now they have references, which is one of the basic things they had when Webflow first came out with their CMS. And I think, let me pull up a tweet. Where is it? I think Zach. Yeah, let me pull it up real quick. There we go. Open up a new tab. Yeah, let me just show it right now. Bang. And when these tools get better and better, and they're competing with each other, when there's more competitors for the tools, for us consumers, it makes our lives better. So let them compete. But yeah, so what I'm going to be focusing on today is Framer CMS, seeing what that world is like. And the shots fired that I'm talking about is that Framer CMS, they said that you can nest as many nested collection lists, or whatever they call it, inside of other collection lists as many times as you want. Or add as many, yeah, so in the Webflow world, you can only do one. For example, if you have like a blog list, a list of blogs on a page, and then inside of each of those blog posts items is like the names of categories or tags it has. And what if that blog also has multiple authors? So you would have to put another nested collection with multi-reference of multiple authors. In Webflow, you can't do that. You can only choose one. Categories or authors or tags, just one of those, right? Framer is claiming, nah, they said in their video, go crazy. They actually said that. So, I've never used Framer CMS. I'm going to dive into it. Jay, is the YouTube live stream not working? I don't know. It says I'm live. Oh, it says I'm live on the other one. Did I do the wrong stream? All right, we're going to keep going with this here. I'm going to make this public. Here we go. Turn that on. And the description's wrong. I think I got the wrong stream key going. But I'm going to keep going anyways. It looks like I'm live on Twitter and LinkedIn, so I'm gonna get the shareable link and post it. Whoops, I'm streaming to the wrong URL. Oh well, creator life. There you go. Thank you, Jay, for being here. Let's just keep this going. Where are we going? All right, music's working. Talked about what I'm gonna be doing. All right, let's jump in. Marine from Texas. How you doing, man? How you doing? All right. Hold on. Sorry. Copy. Paste. There we go. Now you can hear me. All right. Thank you. So what I was saying is, let's back up. Let me delete this. How do I delete these? Okay, cool. All right. So when I first clicked on CMS, I noticed that it has ad blog. And my first thought is, okay, I'm guessing that they're going to have pre-built collections, pre-built collection fields for you just to help you get started, because most people use blogs, right? So clicking that, I see that's what it does. I have articles and categories. Whereas Webflow, when you create a new collection, you have templates, but they only but it's only per collection. This one, they give you 2 right off the bat, and it's like, okay, I get it. Now let me go and click edit fields. I see. Is this a reference? I'm thinking this is already a reference. Yeah, I'm not used to this icon right here. The whole like fast forward. But I'm guessing that's a reference. Interesting that I can't change it because there's nothing else that I can point to. Okay, let me click on one of these categories. All right, these are references, and it's a multi-reference. Okay. What if I want to add, let's say 1, okay, plus sign, reference, single category. All right, this is making sense. Required, no. Okay, default. Oh, there's a default. That's interesting. All right, this is straightforward. I mean, CMSs are not the newest thing ever. I mean, WordPress is doing it for the longest time. As we know, they own like what, 40% of the web. So yeah, makes sense. Okay, so making a collection, not too hard. Let's say authors. Let's call it authors. Cool. New item. Let's just, who's in the chat right now? So Carlos Sepulveda. Did I get it right? Cool. Cool guy. Speed build champion. I can't type. All right. Was it 2022 or 23? 22. Yeah. All right. Greetings in Tokyo. Hi, Cologne. Hi, Nikki. All right, go save. All right, can I to preview add? Okay, I'll look at that later. Can I add a new one? Interesting. I have to click out and then add. How do I add another one? Oh, up here. Interesting. So why I got confused, if the Framer team is watching, why I got confused is I was already on the user experience of looking for this plus sign on the right. I'm always looking for the right because it's here on the right. And then on other places right here, it's on the right. Like everywhere, it's on the right. Well, most parts. And so here, I was looking for the right. And then I went here. I was like, I can't find it. Wait, there's an ad. Oh, wait. No, that's not a real thing. That's not a real thing. So new item right here on the left. Okay, that's different. It'd be nice to have a shortcut or something, but let's see here. Who else is here? So J, Gutierrez. All right. Save. New item. Okay, I like that. It goes straight to... Okay. Let me add one more. Hi, Nikki. Nikki M. Save. Close. Cool. So I have authors. Let's connect articles to... How do I delete this? Interesting that there's a right click there. Because if I right click here... Oh, you can right click. Everywhere there's a right click. Okay. Edit fields. Right click remove. Can I right click add? No. Can I add a reference? Let's do multi-reference. Authors. Say there's multiple authors. Right. Collections pulling from authors. Immediately. Okay. Okay. Right. So let's update. Can I multi-select these? No, I cannot. I want to select multiple CMS items. I cannot. So I have to go to each one. Yeah. That one took a couple of years or something for Webflow to add, where you can select multiple CMS items. And I know that like WordPress or maybe a WordPress plugin where you can select multiple blog posts and then edit data of those, like change their authors, whatever, all in one go. But let's do this. I removed single category already. I guess it didn't save. Oh, I can't click save. Okay. I guess I have to publish. Update. Wait, every time I add a new author in the CMS, I have to update? No. Unless it's auto-saving? Let me see if it's auto-saving. Saved. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Autosave. I appreciate that. That's faster. That's faster. Oh, gosh. So fast. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Framer UI invites me so much to do great design. Yeah. I'm seeing it so far. All right. We made our CMS. Framer made it fast to just get up and running. How did these get in here? That was really fast. This is a blog page. Where's my information coming from? Let me see here. Set variable, image, categories. Okay, so it's already there. And then we already have the oh, it's filled collection. So this is fake because it says choose collection. Okay. So categories, collection list, no items match current feature. Category. What did I break? What did I break? Okay, so when things are done for you, tools are great when they do stuff for you. Yes. But when you don't understand the fundamentals, you break something and you're like, how do I fix it? Let me undo. So that's how I'm feeling right now. But I appreciate that they've done stuff for me, but I'm wondering, why is this collection set to not, it's set to not found. So I'm clicking on it. You don't see the sub menu, but it says not found. Okay, so this is how they do multi-reference. And this is one of their new things. Let me just add the authors. Let's see what happens if I add authors. So they have articles. Okay, that confused me. Oh, I'm on pages. I need to go layers. There we go. All right. So we have collection list, collection item. We have the title. Cool. All right. So we have collection list. So this is one nest right here. All right. So this is what I mean by nesting. And this is the limits of Webflow right here. Now let me add another collection list. So insert collections. Interesting. I was looking for collection lists, but it's giving me the collection names that that I've already made. So let me drag in authors. Hello? Oh, okay. I'm supposed to put it on the canvas. I can't put it in the layers. Okay, that's fine. I'll put it here. Okay. Okay. But already, right there, we have two nested collections inside of one collection list. Okay. Well, that's a big win right there. And now we have to style it. So I'm guessing I have to do that stacking stuff, right? So authors, this author. All right, so this one, I remember stacking. There we go. So we have stack, and let's go like this. Oh, that looks horrible. What if I can group these? What if I group these? Oh yeah, I have to think about frames and stacks. So I'm going to add a stack, drag this one into this stack. Here, categories. Cool. So this stack, there we go. And this one, I want its width to be fill. There we go. Getting somewhere. We'll stack it like that. And this stack needs to be bigger. Yeah, it's not going to look great. Okay. And what if I take this item and say stack it this way and push it to the left? Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Add stack. And that one's going to go horizontal. Yep, yep. And then let's move that. I'm doing things. I'm doing things. Text should be left. So I'm guessing this needs to be distribute center start. Okay. All right. Doesn't look like the most beautiful blog list, but the fact that you can add two nested collections. Let's add another one just for fun. Why not? We're having fun here. Interesting. Okay. We'll call this tags for some reason. And we're going to edit the feed. So we can add stuff here. So we're going to call it tag name. Okay. And then we have, I don't know. Let's put a color for some reason. Okay. And so new item. So tag name is tech, and that's the color. Save, new item. Science, random color. And someone give me another tag name. Just spam tag names in chat. Give me some words. Hi, Zach. How you doing? Noah's here. Design. Health. Yeah, I'm just randomly doing stuff. Health, I'm gonna say it's red. Ish. Random colors. I love how you can add variables quickly in Framer as well as in components. I haven't even gotten that far yet. This is like the baby steps right here. All right, so we have that. Let's insert collections. Yeah, see, collections is right already here. It's already here. Love it. Okay. I have to remember, you can't drag into layers. If you're coming from the Webflow world, you can't put anything in here. It has to be on the canvas. Got it. Whatever. Fine. Let's put it here. This is fill. This is stack. Oh my god. Distribute start. And then we can add padding. That was fast. That was fast. That's 3 nested collections, and I didn't have to use a plugin. Yo. Okay, Noah is like getting mad at me. Dude, look at your blog collection. I'm on it. You have no category set. I think that's why it wasn't working. Yeah, here, let me... Okay. Filters, okay. I want this... Yeah. Filters, all. And then collection list. Where is it? Categories. Delete that. Choose categories. Okay. Filters where category is set. Okay, cool. Okay. And Kyle's here. Nelson, you trader. I'm not a trader. I am learning. Again, the reason why I'm jumping deep into this and just showing how I'm fumbling, I lost a client to Framer. It was a huge client, and it's like, you know what? It's the sign of the times. Their marketing team said it was a hard decision for them. It was a huge enterprise site. I've touched every single page, and it's huge, massive. And they made this difficult decision to move on to Framer because they said that complex animations are much simpler there. I haven't even dove into interaction animations, and I want to. And Framer calls it Framer Motion. I want to go there. But first things first, like, if I'm going to be trying to help more people, I have to learn more things. I've pigeonholed myself into just Webflow for over a decade, and I gotta go with the times. Tech changes all the time. So I'm not being a trader. I'm just being a realist right now. Framer geek. Hey, I'm Pixel geek. And Pixel's not a brand. Yeah, so. Content first, animation next. Yes, they have great content on their website, and they sell their product really well. I mean, these are top-notch designers I was working with, but they needed more control and flexibility. And let's be honest, Webflow community, let's be honest, that Webflow interactions panel being vertical, it is tough to use. It is tough. While it gives us so much power to use JavaScript type of animations and some CSS, and you can manipulate variables, it's awesome. But when you're working with things like they announced Spline the other day, right? Let me see if I can find my Webflow project. They're like, you can connect Spline to Webflow, and it's like, dude, that's amazing. And I was sold. What's it, Flowboy or something? Yeah, I made a project right here called Flowboy using Spline. Yeah, Noah, it's super rough. So here's something I made just for fun to learn Spline. And so I was trying to, my whole thing was, okay, what if the Game Boy came out, but it was marketed by Apple, like an iPhone, right? And so I got Spline Tendo. So it's that little like, ooh, it's a teaser. What is it? I've never seen this device before. And then you scroll down. Yo, it has a 4-way directional pad, 2 action buttons, and 2 option buttons. Amazing. And then check this out. Look at the D-pad, how it goes up and down on angles. And then even the buttons are being pressed and depressed. Yeah, subtle, but you can control it on scroll with Webflow interactions, right? So that's as far as I got. But I hurt my brain. I'm going to show you how the sausage is made, all right? Check this out. Yeah, Flowboy, that's a spline, right? Where's my scroll interaction? Right here. You ready for this? You ready? Look at all that. How do I know what I'm targeting? Like from the top level, I have to click on it and it says Flowboy because that's the name of the class right here on the bottom left. Right here, spline, it shows me the Flowboy object. And if I go down, now it shows the object of D-pad. But it is hard when you want to see from a high level, like what am I clicking on? And so I straight up gave up. I'm like, they need to make it where the object is shown here. And let's be honest, animation, motion, time is horizontal. You know? Noah's saying pop out interactions panel would be amazing. Yes, that plus horizontal. Please, horizontal. So I can't compare this to Framer motion because I haven't been in that world. But going back to CMS, there's Zach's tweet. Going back to CMS, yeah, let's figure this out. So I have 1, 2, 3 nested collections, and they said go crazy. I'm not gonna go crazier than this. But if you do go crazier than this, I would like to see what project you've done to have 20 nested collections. But I think this is as far as people really need to go. So Framer CMS, within like what, 20 minutes or so, I got it. I get it. Now let's look at the CMS page. So when someone clicks on this, okay, I see a link right here. So I'm guessing if I press play, if I click on any of this, page not found. Okay, so I'm guessing this links to blog slug. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. No, it would be much better if interactions was a modal window. I've actually pitched that idea a long time ago to Webflow during a retreat and said, is there any devs who would be open to trying out pulling out all the UI and just having the canvas as the main browser window and then everything else pop out? Because what if you have widescreen, ultra widescreen, or a second screen, right? Love to move things around, but the problem with that is it's a modal, and so if you click, you have to click on a window to activate it and then manipulate whatever you want in that modal. And then to go back to the canvas, you have to click back on the canvas window and then manipulate that. I mean, look at Framer, Figma, the browser version of Figma, like any of those tools in the browser, they don't have pop-up modals. So, yeah. All right, so pages, articles. So I'm guessing it's supposed to go here, but it didn't. Maybe it's because I have to publish? I don't know. But it should have gone here. And we have the collection here. So collection list. So I'm guessing should be simple, super simple. I take a collection here, bring in the authors. And then I just fit it. I don't know. No, all the designers who are coming from Webflow, how do you feel about not having to use class names? I'm kind of feeling it right now. And again, these are all honest thoughts. Framer is not paying me. Like, this is just me trying to understand the world around me. Space around. This is Flexbox, basically. Why is there so much space here? Maybe it's the length of the characters in the name. Okay, what if I want to make this a link? Insert a link. Oh no, you can't do that. Oh, link is right here. Okay. Link to authors doesn't have a page. Do I have to make it? New CMS page. Index detail page. Yo, that's okay. Okay, I like that. Let me guess. If I do index, it's going to do the same thing as blog. Please do it for me. Yeah. And so if I go here, it'll go here and let me convert to CMS page. I don't know what that means. A new collection will be created. Oh, interesting. No. Authors detail page. I can see why this is getting so much faster. Marine from Texas. I can be both. It can be a both good feeling and bad feeling. Classes make me feel warm inside at times and ready to pull out my hair at others. Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably run into that. But okay. CMS was easy to learn. Wait, hold on. Articles. Okay. Here's one of the biggest things. Webflow rich text editor to like one of my biggest highest viewed videos on my YouTube channel is how to edit the styles of a rich text collection field in Webflow. And so you have to do this workaround type of thing. How easy is it to do it here? So this is the content. I'm hoping. Yes, this is the content. It's right there. It's okay. So if I just want to edit this and make this bigger, come on. Okay, what if I add an image, right? So double click. I can't edit the content. Okay, that's one of the new things that Webflow you can do on the canvas now. You can edit content by double clicking, but I can't. Can I right click, edit content? No, I cannot. Content. Can I go straight to that content in the CMS? No, I cannot. All right, so let me go to CMS, go to article, get here, and I have to edit the. Wait, where's the? Where's the content? Was there no content to begin with? Dates. Oh, that's fake content. There's no. Yeah, this is fake. Oh. I'm confused. You will have to add the image directly. Deep nesting. KG is saying, for class names, no class names are great for simple sites. Sucks for anything complex. I could see that. Yeah. The more I use Framer, the more I'm like, okay, Framer is for graphic designers who want to get going faster and making small sites. What's the scalability, though, of them? I think Webflow is mainly for web developers who need big sites that scale. That's what I'm feeling right now. I could be wrong on the Framer front, because again, this is just what, my second hour using using Framer. All right, so I'm trying to figure out where is this content being pulled from, because I don't see it here. Did I bug it out or something? Let me see here. Let me edit fields and add. There is no content here, so I'm going to add content. Formatted text. Oh, it already has content in here. I think I effed it up when I deleted the content. Let me go to Lipsum Pro. You get like 2 paragraphs. There we go. Cool. And then let me see what I got here as far as images. Random images. Oh. Yeah. Can I? Oh, I can drag an image. Cool. Can I right click? I want the size to be bigger. I want the size to be full width. Please allow me to make this full width. Right click full width. No? Okay. So this is how I feel about all the web design tools in the world. Right? Same, but still same, but different, but still same. All right, so let's go back. I'm going to connect this to the other content. I think I effed it up. I effed it up. I'm breaking stuff and it's fun. Okay, link to... Wait, link to set variable. Okay, that works. Okay, so now I gotta go to pages, articles. Let me delete the content. Let's add another one. Insert fields, content. There we go, I think. Help. Oh, I have to put it in the stack. There we go. Okay, it's pulling from content. Pull from... I think I messed it up when I was like resetting, but yeah, this makes sense. What I'm wondering is, like, if I put a text, if I put if I put an image in here, how do I edit those styles? But yeah, this is making sense. This is totally making sense. And yeah, moving forward. I think with this second half, what I want to do is I just want to dip my toe into Framer Motion now. What is this world of Framer Motion? So what's the first thing I want to do? I think I'm just going to go home, and I've already seen effects where it's like appear. So these are like quick effects in Webflow. So you appear, it fades in, or you can slide in from the bottom. And can I preview that? Yeah. So it happened, but on appear, trigger on scroll, in section view, layer view. Can I offset it a little? Interesting. Replay, slide in from bottom. Okay, so this is the offset. When do I want to see it? So if I press play. Okay. Not too bad. So there's some of that motion. You're on a getting started item. Oh, right here, getting started. I should be on. No? Okay. All right. Moving on. Yeah, dipping my toe into motion. So these quick effects make sense. However, where's all the good stuff? Fit text, arc, wave pattern, interactive. Oh wait, no. Slideshow. Everyone needs a slideshow, right? What is this? Scribbles. What is this for? You can copy paste effect. What? How do I copy paste effects? Right click, copy effects, paste effects, paste effects. Okay, so this is nice, but reusing interactions can be done with a class name in Webflow. But I can see how this is kind of fast, but not as fast as like using a class name. So if I press play, I don't know what these scribbles are about. They're cute. That's cool. That's cool. Can I stagger? Can I stagger? I see no staggering. Remove the scribbles. No, I like the scribbles. What is this for? Oh, hey, they're SVGs. Are they position absolute that I can put them anywhere? Yeah, they're SVGs. Okay, it's in a stack. What if I want to like cut and then go here and then just paste? Okay, that's cute. They give you a library of scribbles to play with. I mean, if that's your brand. Okay, I'll follow your advice. Remove the scribbles. That was cute. Thank you, Akansha. Yeah. Okay, all right. So the quick effects make sense. Where's the good stuff, people? Like, type. Like, yeah, let's make this huge for no reason. And then I want each letter, like a GSAP where each letter loads in. Show me that. Quick effects? Appear? No, that's the whole line. I'm guessing it's plugins, but I did remove the scribbles. Creative. Where's the interactions panel? I'm like a little kid, like, okay, where's the fun? Where's the fun? Show me the fun. I guess I'm going to plugins world and motion, animation. I've created this small scroll animation. Is it all just plugins from here? I'll go motion. And this is another thing they advertised. So let's go to free. And I'm not messing with Rive. That's too far. CMS export. That's nice. That's nice. CMS export. Renamer. Tidy up. And that's it. Okay. I was to believe there was like animations. Where are you? Where are you? Text effects. That's what I want. Okay. Adding text effects. Okay. Head over to the effects panel, choose text option. Oh, is that easy? Effects. Sorry. There you go. Text. Let's see here. Scale. Stagger. Blur. What if I just want per character per line? Yeah. This section is in view. Let's do that. The viewport, blur, flip, shake. Okay, no. Shoot, rotate. I see a lot of people using this right here, the rotate. I want per character. Yeah, there we go. Okay, effect. Oh, now we're getting, okay, in the transition, you can play around with this, I'm guessing. You can, oh. Okay, physics? What? Okay. Mass? Okay, let's do that. Okay. So there is no apply button. So everything you do is auto-saved. So if I press preview. Nice. No? All right, let me restart. Stagger, character, and I just want the basic effect. Nope. Is it because on up here, I guess? Makes it easier? All right, that's too slow. Faster. Delay 0. Oh, I can delay the other ones. Okay, delay 0. Effect. I want it to be faster. How do you make it faster? Time. Time. Okay. Let me see it happen. I mean, okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Effects. So if I click on text and I do effects, then I have the extra text right here. Okay, okay. If I go here and I say I have that animation happening. I want a stagger effect. Oh, I can multi-select. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the effect on these two, and I want these two to stagger. So I'm gonna do small card. So these two, this one and this one, can I add an effect to both of these? Effects, appear, stagger. On appear, fade in, effect. No, they both. That's interesting. I think it would make it faster if I can just say stagger, just the way we have this staggered. Yeah. Okay. Whew. So making animations is easy for these basic ones. Okay, cool. Now, what are these complex things that my client is talking about? Bean water. Yeah. Everything is in effects. You will have to select the section. Guessing this whole thing is a section. Scroll speed. What's scroll speed? Not sure what that meant. All right. Well, yeah. Okay. So, one of the things I want to accomplish is redoing me and my wife's site, redesigning it and building it all in Framer and really understanding the full experience of that. And I think I'm going to live stream all that. Yeah. Because it seems Framer seems really fast to get into. Like, let me see here. Border radius. Can I border radius this? Yeah, right here. So simple. So, I don't know, like 10. 10. Yeah. Yeah, this is all simple stuff. And then when you publish, you don't have to worry about class names. Everything's there for you. But what's the speed? You know? What's the page speed score and all that good stuff? Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Yeah. If anyone has a Framer site that has like these complex animations and whatnot, I'd love to see it. And I would love to figure out how to do those. Like, okay, here's how do you do horizontal scrolls where you're scrolling down and then it's horizontal as you're scrolling. So what I mean is this, like the experience. So me and my wife did this website right here. And if you scroll down, and I'm still scrolling down, but it's going to the right and left. So this is a local gym. Ooh, and sticky position. You know what? Stop asking. Just do. I wonder. All right, let's make a new page. Horizontal scroll. Watch me fumble my way through this one. Insert a section. Cool. Don't care what it is. Insert. You know what? If they have this already, I'm just going to throw my computer and be like, well, damn. All right, they don't have it yet. So I'm guessing you have to make it from scratch. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. Make this bigger. Oh, no. Do I have to add a new section? I want just another frame. Oh, I have to draw it, huh? Boom, right there. Okay, cool. So I have this frame, and the height is relative to void collapse. Okay, whatever. All right. I want this to be my mask, right? So this should be relative. Okay, cool. Woo. Now let's add say columns. Columns in here. This should be a stack. Layout, stack, up and down. Start to top. Okay, cool. And this one is fixed to fit content. Okay. Let's just add stuff in here. I want to do a horizontal scroll. I don't know how to do it. Oh, I can't put what web Ps? Okay, put Ashoka then. Come on, I can't drag her in. She's not a web P. Image, choose image. There we go. All right, so she's there. Now I'm trying to figure out how do I make it bigger. Fit content, fit content. All right, starting to make sense. Now what if I make this image like huge? So I like this part. This is nice. But now I want to go beyond the beyond the canvas. I think I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video for this, rather than making you guys wait up and see if I ever figure it out. Because what I want to do is I'm gonna take this stack, and then it's gonna drag like this. Yeah. I wonder. Scroll animation. Nope, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Interesting. If anyone could recommend me a YouTube tutorial on how to do a horizontal scroll, because it has to deal with position sticky, and there is a sticky. Okay, what if I add more sections to this? How does the sticky work with this? This stack right here, height should be fixed. Viewport 100. Say 300 VH. Does that sticky? Position. Oh, this shouldn't be sticky. It should be relative. And this one should be sticky to 0. $300 VH. Okay. There we go. Will you be sticky? Nope. Nope. Top 0. This is relative. Height 300. Yeah, just send it in chat or DM me. Twitter at the Pixel Geek. Should it be this one? That's, yeah. This one should be sticky. And that should be relative. In the Webflow world, yeah, this makes sense. All right. I'm going to have to learn this offline. I don't know if you want to watch me learn it in real time, which I'm doing right now. Yeah. This has been interesting. So, Framer CMS, super simple to get into. They have multiple nested lists or nested collection lists. That's awesome. I need to see an example of like a deep nested list that people really need. But from what I've learned, from what I've experienced from past clients, is they just want just collections and maybe authors. But that's about it. Or sorry, categories and maybe authors. But that's usually the extent of it. Yeah. It's very interesting. And again, I can see the appeal of Framer. And you know what? Once I learn other things like horizontal scroll and whatnot, I'll see if I can make a tutorial and break it down of how I learned it. But yeah, that's it for this stream. Gonna do more streams soon. Need to bring my YouTube game up more. So whatever I learn, I'm gonna stream it, and whatever I'm going through, I'm gonna record it and just, I don't know, vlog it or something, because I'm coming back to this channel more and more. I'm gonna be more honest and open, and just be real about my life going through this tech industry. Feel like I'm going past my prime. I'm 42 now, and the world of web design and tech has changed dramatically. So, yeah. No, I'm trying it right now, and I can't figure out how to filter a nested collection to only show the correct items instead of all items. Filter a nested collection to only show the correct items instead of all items. Wait, I want to understand this. So we're back on here. Is this showing all? Oh, this is still showing all. Okay, that's what you mean. So filters show tag is set. Tag is included in equals. Yo, I see what you mean. This doesn't make sense. Why would I want to show all of the tags? Categories. Did I set the tags already? Oh, I didn't set tags here. Hold on. Multi-reference tags. I didn't add tags in this. Okay, cool. Done. Okay, so let's just add some. 3 here. Dude, I love how it auto-saves. Ugh! Auto-saves when I click? Come on. So fast. Boom. That was so quick. All right. So each of these have different tags. So filter match all tags, tag is set equals. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. Okay, I'm pulling from the tags collection, and I only want to show the tags that I've set. Yeah, but look at your authors. Yeah, authors too. It's broken. So we're not finished learning this. Add tag is set. Isn't set. Equals. So equals value health, but that's for all of them. Is included in tags. Got it. Noah, I got it. It's kind of weird. But here it is. You set the filters to tags, right? Oh, you can do multi-filter. Nice. So you do tag, right? And tag, the field is tag included in, and you have to press the plus sign to set the value variable to tags. So if you don't do that, it's all of them, right? Included in, boom. Today we learn. See, we're learning. Author is included in variable authors. We got this. Ain't no thing. Included in categories. It's a variable. It makes sense, but that was very hidden. Gotta find that little plus sign, that little tiny round plus sign, right? Yeah. It's hidden. It's very small. But you just see, that's all. Everyone's watching. Click every little button. It's going to frustrate the F out of you. Clicking all the things, trying to understand. But once you find it, it is a great feeling. Then you get that feeling again of crap. How do I learn this other thing? And it just goes on and on and on. And then guess what? A client leaves you for another tool. And you're like, I have to learn something completely new that I've never touched in my lifetime. Welcome to the world of tech. This crazy, stupid world. And if you're feeling frustrated, that's everyone. Everyone is going through BS, all right? And like, if you take a moment to step back, like, and realize, you zoom out. And I've been having these thoughts too, like midlife crisis thoughts, like, what am I doing? You know, you zoom out and we're on this little tiny blue dot in a mote of dust, as Carl Sagan said, in the vast emptiness of space. We're just pushing pixels. What does it all mean? Like, nothing. You know, you learn and you try to teach the next generation, and then you're done. What are we doing? So, all this stress, you know, just remember, all the people that you see, if you look up to people, like even those people that you look up to, no one knows what they're doing. Everyone has BS to go through. Yeah. So just click a few buttons. See what happens. Click another. Deep nesting. Yeah, that's what. Oh man. You know what? Yeah, let me do one more thing. Deep nesting. Like, what would you deep nest, Noah? Like, can I put authors inside of categories for some reason? I don't know. Let's do that. You can. And then you can play around with filters too. You're about to turn 41. I feel you. I'm 42. And this whole, so many industries. No, check out that link. What link? See my link. I don't see your link. You would have to send it to me on DM, Twitter DMs. Because I'm not seeing it. But yeah. Yeah, gonna end the stream now. I've learned enough for today. You know what? I'm just do this. I'm gonna just put this out there because I don't advertise my stuff enough. And I've heard that I need to be more intentional about it. Okay, hold on. Noah sent a link. My Framer site. Oh, what is this? Okay. All right. So you have the, okay. So that's the item. This is the information of the thing. Okay. None of these are links. But I can see these are companies. Yeah. Yeah, Noah, if you want to share your Framer link or something, I don't know if in Framer you can share a preview or something. Can you? You know how in Webflow you can share read-only link? Can I do that? That's language. Oh, they have localization? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you can invite them. Oh, yeah. Pff, invite. Project link. There you go. Yeah. Noah, send me your thing. Okay, so those are bike builds. There's a parts collection and a brands collection. The brands are referenced from parts, and there's a. Woo. I'm just saying that's so crazy. You can't do that in Webflow. Oh, okay. Brands are referenced from parts. And there's a nested collection in the parts nested collection. Yeah. See, when it comes to like e-commerce and stuff, not a blog, you need some deep nesting. Like underground. Like Mariana's Trench. Okay, I'm kind of losing it. But that's awesome you're able to do that. Noah, send me your Framer read-only link. 3 deeply nested collections. Yeah. That's cool, dude. That's so cool. So powerful. And they just came out with that yesterday, I think. So cool. I appreciate you all so much. Let me do just one more shout out to my thing that I've been working on. I'm trying to build a platform. I'm trying to build a marketplace where people who need support with design, custom code, interactions, third-party support or something on Webflow, you can get it within an hour. And on the other side, you have experts who are getting paid to answer those questions, you know? And so I've sourced over 36 people in the community who are down to just answer questions. And yeah, so that's the hope and dream, that people get help that Webflow's support team can't help with because it's their policy. They can't help with design, layout, custom code issues, but you can here, and it's live, and it's something I've been working on for over a year now. And I'm gonna just be real with y'all. If this works, I want to bring it to the Framer community. Because on one side, I want people to get support within an hour. On the other side, I want experts to get paid for answering questions. Because I'm learning how hard it is to be an expert. Because the stream of leads and projects is tough to come by. And going to places like Webflow Experts, Contra, and stuff like that, it is still hard because you're on a directory filled with thousands of great people. But to me, there's still thousands of people that need help. And so this right here is that middle ground that I'm trying to push more and more. It's already live, so if you need help with Webflow projects, go to it. And again, I'm gonna be honest, what I'm doing is $39 a ticket. So you're buying a credit, which then you use the credit for 1 ticket, and then you get your help immediately. And then on the flip side, if you answer a question, and these are experts I personally vet, all right? These are not just like anyone. So it's hiophelia.com. Let me put it in chat. How come I can't? HTTPS hiophelia.com. There we go. So hiophelia.com. Yeah, these are people I've personally vet. I've met most of them in person over the 10 years that I've supported this community. And I'm like, yeah, you get burned out by doing project after project after project. And on the flip side, you get burned out by answering people's questions over and over and over through the goodness of your heart, and you're answering on the forums and answering on Twitter DMs or whatnot. And it's like, where's that middle ground? So I'm hoping this is the middle ground. And then if this works, let's bring it to Framer. If this works, let's bring it to Wix. I want this community to grow. I'm going to also go into making a membership subscription. So it's not only this support that you'll get like 1 credit a month, but also I want to be doing more exclusive video calls to help you with your projects on Webflow and help you with your business. Because, like, again, just trying to be as real as possible with you all. We're going through BS, and just having that community that you can just be in a safe space and say, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Yeah, I want to help you through that. So lots more to come for highaffiliate.com. Y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. If you're still here and just been chilling with me while I learn, I appreciate you. Have a great weekend. Rest. Get mentally recharged. Please go out and walk. Get away from your computer screen. Enjoy this blue dot that we have and this small moment of time that we have on this blue dot. Enjoy it as much as you can. All right. I'll see you next time. I'll let you know when I stream, but bye.